Hello and welcome again. In previous video we have made this and discussed why it is not getting value and how, and we have to discuss now this a should be get from this. But before that I would like to say that how we can pass parameter here. Here I will pass a and b here, and I will print c here. Passing parameter in the object is like this. I will make c is equal to a plus b, and we can make this here. I will pass 10 comma 20 here, and I will simply print it. Let's see, and I will explain this. It should give me, it is not giving, sorry, I have no object called get. Let's close it, because we should make put here. This function should be called here. Let's make this as we have to get 30. Now I will explain here. I have initialize object here. This is object of this class, and when I call this object, when I call this function or method of this object, I have passed two variable here, and b it will assign to a specific value. This first one a will get 10 and b will get 20. Maybe we have done this in previous basic tutorial also, but this is how we can assign here, and this has get the and printed here. Now we have to make constructor. Constructor is used to give the memory space to the any variable. First of all, here in any other language constructor are defined with same name as that of class, but in Python it is totally different. We have to define the method called init. This is the function of this is the constructor without any parameter here. And now we can initialize value. Here we have to pass self. Self means this whole class would get a self here, and we have to pass here to self. Here I would not make this here, and this is self dot a is equal to 10, and self dot b is equal to 10. Here same as this, I'll make c is equal to, let's make a plus b, but it will give error because we have self here. Let's try. There is no cost of trying, I have already told you this. Let's run and see if we got some result, as a is not defined here. Here we have not defined a, but we have defined one variable that is called self, means it is of whole class. But I have already told you that the variable of this class cannot be assigned directly for security purpose, so we have to pass self here also. Means self means this whole class, and I will pass here self dot a and self dot b. Sorry. Now you will say we are assigning here self dot a and passing self, but we are not calling this initiate function. And how can we get? This is a constructor. It is called automatically in when the object is initialized. so this will automatically initialize here. Here we have not initialized. I will show you that if we not initialize that value, we will get a wrong answer in next video. Now we can get here answer. Let's see the answer here. Again put missing one potential value self. Let's erase it from here. We don't need self, I think. Again self is not defined here. Here it should not take self here, but it is giving me error here. Let's solve it. It is say one argument is missing. We should not, it should not take argument here. Let's pass self here. Self is not defined here. Let's see what is wrong here, and look where it is giving us error. Let's make here this pass braces here and here too. I think this should be like this. Yes, it is giving us right answer here, and it has given us some error because in this Python we have to pass argument in this here, not in object. So we have to pass here braces, not only make class without braces. This is the problem how we can get. Now I will explain what it is, what it actually do. Here without braces the self component is not passing here. This component is not passing in any variable this two braces, and we should pass here argument and it will take argument. But when we pass this and the first, if we pass the self, then it will treat it at this class, not as a argument or some quarks or anything you can say that is parameters. They are also called as parameters here. Now in next video I will show you how we can assess. I have told you something before, I have forgot in here in 2 minutes. I am so tired here. Let's meet in next video and I will remember that there. Thank you, and let's see back.